Okay, now that we've gone through and set up our accessibility options and settings the way we like them, I'm going to demonstrate this first one, which is called Speak Selection. And to do that, I'm going to jump over to a website that I've got up in Safari. This one I pick often because it is kid-friendly and has larger sections of text to be able to demonstrate this. So if I go in here and take a look, I'm going to take my finger on the iPad and tap and hold right where the capital L is there of liters. And then when I release that, I'm going to get a number of options, and I actually captured much more than I was hoping to. Let me just get the start of that. There's one word, and I'm going to grab that right lower blue handle and just pull that out to capture at least or select the first sentence. Now, because I have speak selection turned on, the third option here, which doesn't show up unless you have this toggled on, is speak. And it will use our voice that we've selected in the settings, the voice speed, the reading rate or speaking rate, to read that sentence back to us. So let's give that a shot here, tapping on speak.
Leaders from around the world are meeting in Scotland this week to discuss global climate.
And you can see that I can pause that at any point. Because I set this up to have my sentence highlighted, it does that in orange, that orange color, and then you can see the word track through as it goes.
The meeting includes the leaders of 120 countries, including Canada, the United.
Occasionally when I pause and press play again, the actual blue highlight color per word doesn't kind of keep up. But that's a really quick idea of how this would work. Again, I can select larger sections of text, so if I want to read down to this part here where the goals are, I can have it do that.
The meeting is called COP, Conference of the Parties, referring to the country.
And it will continue just to read through that selection of text. So a really great tool if you want to get students using the text-to-speech engines available in the background of iOS after we've set up those accessibility options. So that's a great one. It is a bit more widely known than some of the other tools we'll demonstrate, but a great one to continue going back to and using with students in the classroom.